Hello friends, welcome to our channel and today's video on how to make a building plan part 3. So if you haven't watched the previous two parts, you can watch that using the link which has been given in the description. So in today's video, we'll just move further and continue our planning. So first of all, if you have used the command lay on and then also the dimensions are not visible, then just select this. I'm using this to select all the textures which I've applied, and this one is selected. I'm selecting shift and deselecting this, and now all the textures are selected. And right click and then go to draw order and send to back. So after that you think this is visible. So now what I can do is select this any one, and we can, as you can see, we can increase the brightness and also the contrast. So like this you can adjust so that the dimensions become visible. Let's work on the master bedroom. So first of all, I'm going to write here, double click, and we're going to write here and then you can move this enter, move this to a suitable position. After that you can delete the dimension here, keep this, and let's insert some 3D floor blocks. That will just give you the link to this file in the description of this 3D floor blocks. You can also download it in the internet. Also some 3D floor blocks are available, you can use that. So I'm going to select a bed here, Ctrl plus C, and then Ctrl plus V, and then select this. So generally a bed, as you can see, if you want, you can check the dimensions of the king size bed. So it is around, as you can see, 76 inches. So here you can just take a line here, and before taking a line, I'm just increasing it a little bit. Just select this, SC, enter, make sure you place somewhere in the middle, and then increase the size a little bit so that it is easier to align like this, and make a line here from here to 76 inches. So this is the line, and this is the standard size for the king size bed. Select this, AL, enter, I align this. Let me select this point to this, and this point to this, and then space, yes, I'll align this. Now delete the line. So like this is, you have aligned your. So like this you can insert all the remaining furniture components, copy them, then align them as per the standard dimension, then use them in your plan. So like this we are going to do for all of them. So I have completed the master bedroom. I have also added a corner table here in the bed. So now let's insert the next furniture components. So I'm inserting my other blocks as well. I have inserted this from the toilet block. So if you have a block like this which doesn't have color, you can color them also. So it's very simple. Using the block editor you can color them. So first of all, you just need to click on this block and double click, and then this is the layer, and then click on OK. The block editor will open, and after that you can edit as per your preference in the block editor. So I'll use the hatch command, and I use this, and I'll use, and after I define this, just click on escape, and then I'll hatch once again, and then I'll choose white for this, and for this, and then again just click on escape, again hatch, then I'll select another color, this color, for this, and for this. So let's see right now. And let's take another hatch, take any other color, let's say red. Selected this and change the color to this one. So like this you have created this, and then close this, save changes. So like this you can create, color your blocks as well. So some portion, little bit portion is remaining, so we can do that. Double click again, okay, and this portion, if it's remaining, let's say this one, save changes. So like this, as you can see, our blocks have been made. So we'll work on the kitchen top right now. You can take an offset also, offset 2 feet. Start from here, and we will put in this direction as well. In 2 directions we'll have it. So we'll trim this portion. So let's make this a block here. B, enter, KT for kitchen counter, and double click and select the block editor, and then we can use the hatch command, and we can have color here. Close this, save. So now for making the sink and again visible, select the sink and the gas, and then draw order, bring to front. Like this you can do. So like this you can place your kitchen components, and after that we'll place the remaining components also. Let's select the components for the drawing room. We have placed the remaining furniture items similarly, and after we have placed that, then we can just do this lay on right now, and let's see how it looks. So it looks like this, and as you can see, this is our plan. Now we can do some remaining things as well. Just press Ctrl+Z, and then we'll insert our boundaries to the plot. Take an offset of 1 feet, and we're taking the boundaries here. Like this we can take, and here we can use the F enter, select this and this, and this can be used for the boundary wall. Hatch, this is our boundary wall. So now if you want to put some grass, you can also do that. So this is our plan which has been created. We'll turn on all the layers, lay on, and the layers are on now. We'll just show the dimensions of the building once again. So now let's make a A4 sheet of A4 size. So that scale of 1 to 100, I'll take in the rectangle here, and after taking the rectangle, from here click anywhere and just make a size of 8.25 11.75. that is the size of the A4 sheet in inches, and click on enter. And after that, just take an offset of, let's say, 0.25 inches, and then take this offset 0.25 inches, and then click on escape, select this SC, enter, and take a scale of your 100. And after taking a scale of 100, we'll just select this and EX, then click on explode, and then take an offset of 8 feet. After taking offset of 8 feet, then you're going to go here and then take an offset of your 2 feet. So take an offset 2 feet, and now it's ready. Now we'll take a line here for, and here I want to give my direction, because direction is very important. All buildings are made as per Vastu in India especially. So I'll give my direction, and here I'll insert my remaining text. So I want my sheet to go. This is my plan. Now let's work on the remaining things. So let's find the direction first. So for inserting my direction block, I can download some blocks here. So I'll go and I'll select download direction. Here I have some option here. Let's select this and let's see how we can download some blocks. So this as you can see, this direction blocks looks good. So here we'll simply download this CAD blocks. You can use in any CAD block after that. So I have some I'll just not symbols, save this, and after this is got saved, I can simply go here and insert blocks from libraries. So when this opens, we will go to the path here, browse from block libraries. Here I can go to the path and open the not symbol, and here will be my several not symbols. It will load, take some time to load, and after that I can select any of my symbols, specify insertion point, this one, and I will close this now. So after this, as you can see, this is my block. I'll simply scale this and after scaling this, I'll simply rotate this like this. So this is my direction. So this is my one of my plan. This is a north facing plan. I'll just edit this. So now you can just close the editor. So here you will have a northeast drawing room, a northwest staircase, southeast kitchen, southwest master bedroom as per Vastu. Perfect. And then you can do the remaining things, naming. So let's write certain things here. You can take the text from here. Already we have this, copy. And here we can write the drawing number for this particular project. There will be a drawing number, different types of drawing, and here we will write the drawing number. Select the built up area. So okay, I'll just lay on, don't need to worry about that. So built up area is your 28 into 33, so a simple rectangle. So the built up area is 924 square feet. So we'll write it here. And next you can insert the logo of your company right here. You can insert the logo of your company. So like this we are making this, and we can make the door window schedule next. So like this you can complete the plan here, and after that if you want to print out this particular file, let's do that also. So we'll just use Ctrl+P, and then you will select any of your printers here. So DWG PDF is available in all files, so I'll select that, and you have to select here the A4 sheet, because we have gone for the A4 sheet size. This is the A4 sheet 297 into this one. Go for the portrait version of this, and go for the Windows and select this full window here, and after that center the plot, go for the portrait, and then just preview this. So this is the preview which you are having. So after you view the preview, as you can see, all this are done properly. So click on escape and then click on OK, and then save this anywhere. I'll go to desktop and I'll go and save this here as 051 and save this. So the PDF file will open automatically. As you can see, this is the PDF file which has been opened. So how did you find this video? Please let us know in our comment section, and also if you want professional training from us, you can join that also, and make sure you subscribe to our channel because we will come up with more such videos. Bye bye.